வெல்கம் டு ஷோபா சிட்டி. இது ஷோபாவோட முதல் அபுதாபி மாஸ்டர் ப்ராஜெக்ட். கிட்டத்தட்ட 38 மில்லியன் ஸ்கொயர் ஃபீட், அதாவது 1000 ஏக்கருக்குள்ள வர வில்லா டவுன் ஹவுஸ் அபார்ட்மெண்ட் மிக்ஸ் கம்யூனிட்டி. பாத்தீங்கன்னா முன்னாடி கெனால் ஃப்ரண்ட்ல வரும். இந்த கெனால் வந்து துபாயில இருக்கிற பிசினஸ் பே கெனாலை விட டபுள் சைஸ். இந்த பிரிட்ஜ் வந்து கனெக்ட் பண்ணி நம்ம பண்ண போறோம் ஷோபால. as I was saying, it's a mixed community. இங்க அபார்ட்மெண்ட்ஸ், அது இல்லாம மால், ஸ்கூல்ஸ், 2 ஸ்கூல் இருக்கு. இதுல மேன்ஷன் தனியா வருது. அப்புறம் ஒரு 18 ஹோல் பிட்ச் 65 ஏக்கர்ல ஒரு கால்ஃப் கோர்ஸ், எக்ஸிகியூட்டிவ் கால்ஃப் கோர்ஸ் வருது. அப்புறம் அபார்ட்மெண்ட்ஸோட ஸ்டார்டிங் பிரைஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1.3 மில்லியன். இப்போதைக்கு அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணிருக்கிறது வெறும் இந்த 2 டவர் மட்டும்தான். இதுக்கப்புறம் அடுத்தடுத்து வர ப்ராஜெக்ட்ல வந்து அடுத்தடுத்த டவர்ல உங்களுக்கு பிரைஸ் ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கும். as I was saying, 1 bedroom-ஓட பிரைஸ் ஸ்டார்டிங் 1.3 மில்லியன், 2 bedroom-ஓட பிரைஸ் ஸ்டார்டிங் வந்து 2.4 மில்லியன், டவுன் ஹவுஸோட பிரைஸ் ஸ்டார்டிங் 4.9 மில்லியன், அண்ட் 5 bedroom that is 4+ monthlies ஓட பிரைஸ் வந்து 8 மில்லியன். பிரைஸ் டோட்டலா வரப்போது பாத்தீங்கன்னா மொத்தமாவே ஒரு 3,500 அபார்ட்மெண்ட்ஸ், அப்புறம் 2,000 villas. Very exclusive and low density community with 20 kilometers of jogging track, 3 swimmable lagoons இங்க, அப்புறம் இந்த இடத்துல for all the apartments, and 5 exit and entry. Exclusive community. அந்த connectivity பாத்தீங்கன்னா E10 road connects your Dubai, அப்புறம் E12 which connects to Yas Island, 10 minutes to the Abu Dhabi airport, and 10 minutes to the future Disneyland. It will be easy travel for people living in other parts of Asia, which is just minimum of 5 to 6 hours flight. Everyone can come here, right? So this location makes more people to come in, and they're not just going to stay one day to see the Yas Island and go back. There is water park. The water park alone will take 1 day for us expenditure, and then there is Disneyland. There's Ferrariland, which is already there, expecting at least 30 million people every year in current situation in Abu Dhabi. So it will attract more visitors to come in, more tourists to come in. So when they come, they all need a place to stay. They would want at least 2 day, 5 day of Airbnbs. So it will be a very good investment if you're investing in apartments, and definitely the townhouse and villas are more high end. It will be for the locals who are living there, because Abu Dhabi market only locals invest a lot at the moment. So it is a good flipping project also for both investors and also for an end user, because of the Shobha quality and the payment plan and every other details what we have in this.
What is the payment plan?
So payment plan is 60/40 standard Shobha payment. However, instead of paying 10%, you're paying 5% every 6 month once or 3 month once.
Okay.
So it makes it easier. Handover is December 2029. It will be. And also Shobha has a tie-up with ADIB and ENBD Bank. If you're a resident or after getting the golden visa, become a resident, you can go for mortgage. Pay only 40% and the 60% can be mortgaged.
So what is the difference? அதாவது துபாய்க்கும் அபுதாபிக்கும் என்ன பெரிய டிஃபரன்ஸ்?
So Abu Dhabi is the capital, but people know Dubai more. They come here and they
Yes.
right? But even now when they want to travel, airport is also as big as Dubai airport. People travel to Abu Dhabi, they don't realize it already. We just have to tell them. And that particular location of Abu Dhabi is an entertainment hub. I was telling you, there is already Warner Bros, Ferrariland and Disneyland is coming, and Yas Park and Yas Island. People come to Dubai and then they go to Yas Island and they come back. But now this will make them an opportunity come directly. And as they are a capital, we all know UAE's major sovereign fund is coming from Abu Dhabi. It's a government-backed project. Every time when a government is spending about 100 billion amounts on this particular project, an investor will also make good money on this.
Understand.
Yes, it's a future for
So the registration cost also same like Dubai or?
No, in Dubai it is 4% Dubai Land Department where you're paying. In Abu Dhabi it is only 2%.
Nice. That's great.
So there is again you're getting 2%.
2% extra. Final question. இப்போ current situationல உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கு market?
So market, we should be very clear on this one particular part. Dubai or UAE was not directly on the war. They were just using UAE to make a big noise, because we are a very well known place. People know, get an attraction. It's like how people attack airport and aviation, because it will make a big noise. That was the reason but even in this, if you say the situation, what was happening, but everyone was going to work, our lifestyle was same. This is alone is one big reason that you should invest in Dubai. Our lifestyle is same, the flights are still operated, and today, to be honest, today Emirates all 138 destination, the flights are going, people are traveling.
Some more schools also
Yes,
opening.
schools started opening, and our life is pretty much back to normal. This has been always normal. From the outside, they think there's something wrong happening. Just imagine they're spending about millions into stop the one missile or one attack, and they are not doing it only for their local people, their own residents. They're doing it for everyone, 200 plus nationalities. And if, for example, a small crowd control in our country is not managed. Yes. There we are still investing. And here, everything, there is a missile interception going on, but we are coming to work, right? This is one, again, reason. Main, I would say, the sovereign fund of this country is still there. That is the main financial background also, if you say.